What is up, everybody? My name is Hello. Welcome back to this channel. We are solving Codeforces problems. In Python, today we have a very straightforward, very simple problem. It's called Bear and Big Brother. This is problem 791A, by the way. Let's go ahead and read it and attempt to solve it. Okay. So Bear Limak wants to become the largest of bears, or at least become larger than his brother Bob. There's some nice sibling rivalry going here between Limak and Bob. Limak wants to weigh more than Bob. Right now, Limak weighs A, Bob weighs B. It is guaranteed that Limak's weight is smaller than or equal to his brother's weight. So initially, there are two sets of weights, A and B, where A is either less than or equal to B. The goal is to make A greater than B strictly. And they say that Limak eats a lot and his weight is tripled after every year, while Bob's weight is doubled after every year. Okay. After how many full years will Limak strictly be larger? Strictly larger as in A is not equal to Bob. He has to be greater, heavier than Bob, and that's something that we need to find out. Something that they do say in the question is by default A is always less than or equal to B. So the answer will never be 0. Okay. So by default, Bob will always be heavier, and we have to find out. So every year you go, this A will become 3A. Correct? Because this weight is tripled. Okay. And then that 3A, the next year will become 9A, 27A, so on and so forth. Okay. Whereas B will double. You have to find out how many years this Limak guy will weigh strictly more than Bob. Okay. So you get two inputs. Very simple. You're just going to run a while loop. Okay. And you're just going to triple this weight, double this weight, and check whether A is greater than B. And then when it actually happens, let's go ahead and terminate this condition. Now we do know by default, it's going to be A and B is going to be from 1 to 10. So I do not expect this problem to run into any sort of computational, these time limit exceeded issues when doing this in the brute force method that we're going to do right now. Okay, so let's go ahead and see how we can solve this problem. I'm going to go to Visual Studio Code, set the language to Python. We have a couple of test cases. Let's go ahead and take A and B as input. So this will be list of map of int comma input dot rstrip dot split. This is something that we always talk about in taking inputs in this course. You're going to take space separate integers, do rstrip, split them, convert them into integers, put them into a list. Okay. So we'll do a while true. And before that, let's have an answer, which will be the number of years, right? So while true, what will we do? By default, we have to check a termination condition. This is very important while you guys are doing infinite loops. Okay, while true is an infinite loop, which means if you do not break the infinite loop, your computer is going to break. Okay, so the termination condition here will be when and if this A value is greater than B, that is Limak is weighing greater than his brother, we're going to go ahead and break the loop. Else what will we do? A will become 3 into A, yes, and B will become 2 into B. So the value of A and B keeps increasing whenever this termination condition happens. This while loop will break. But of course, when you're doing this, you're going to add 1 year to their lives. So answer will be plus equal to 1. If that is simple, let's go ahead and just print the answer. I'm going to run this code. And you can see all 3 test cases passed. That's very interesting. Now I am going to go ahead and copy and paste this solution and to show you guys that it works. Very simple piece of code again. My internet is pretty slow, so let's wait a bit. Yep, I'm gonna paste this and click the submit button. Okay, and as you can see, the solution has been accepted. Very simple, very straightforward problem. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. I'll see you in another video. Until then, bye.